Hey everybody, we have a really special treat for you here today. We don't get these in our warehouse all the time. Normally these are made custom to order and shipped directly to our customers. But today we have a K95 bowl chopper from Talsa in Spain. Bowl choppers are one of the largest segments of RAM equipment that we have here. And Talsa is a very, very important partner for RAM. We work with them for many years, and they make some of the most top-notch, best bang for your buck European engineered bowl choppers in the world today. And like I said, today we have a K95. 95 stands for 95 liters. They have small, like buffalo choppers, all the way down to 15 liters, which is about 4 gallons. And then they have all the way up to 200 liters, which is equivalent of about, I think it's about 56 gallons. And, but yeah, so this is the K95, which is right in the middle of their range. Obviously, the smaller they get to a more of a tabletop size. The larger they get you get your manual unloader arm, or there's also a automatic pneumatic loader and unloader as an additional option. But jumping right into this here, I think the first thing you can see is absolutely gorgeous, really cool looking bowl chopper, all 304 stainless steel, and then you get this magnificent large screen, and who doesn't like a larger touch screen? I think we all do. It's super, super simple and easy to use, and it has all the features right here at your fingertips. It's to train additional operators, makes it pretty much a breeze. All right, so for anybody who's looking to get either a refresher in what is a bowl chopper, or anybody who's looking to learn about bowl choppers for the first time, bowl choppers are easily the most versatile piece of equipment in all of food processing. So they're absolutely fantastic for chopping up all different types of proteins, chicken, beef, pork. We've sold these into bakeries, large-scale bakeries for dough processing. We've sold these into pet food manufacturers for pet food processing. You can add in different ingredients, spices, all the things in the different settings to make whatever it is you're looking to make, from diced vegetables, you name it. There's amazing applications from, like I mentioned, dicing chicken and other proteins, alternative proteins. That's a larger emerging market that's happening. But also things like emulsified product for hot dogs and sausages as well too. That's probably one of the largest markets for a bowl chopper. And these things will go from, this is a 95 liter unit, but they'll go all the way down to 15 liters, which is about 4 gallons, all the way up to 200 liters, which is about 56 gallons. And it's a much larger unit. So this K95 unit here sits right about in the middle of the Talsa lineup. So right off the bat here, you're going to see that you're loading the product directly in, and what you do is you have two different things happening at the same time. You have the bowl speed, and then you have the blades that are working here behind, and the blades spin and chop at the radius of the internal bowl itself. So if you want to have a more chopped product, you're going to speed up this bowl. And right now we have 6 blades installed, but you can do a 3-blade configuration as well too. So if you wanted to have the most texture, the most kind of chopped product, then you're going to go with 3 blades, and you're going to speed up this bowl, and you're going to slow down those blades. And that will give you just a nice fine chop. If you're looking to do something more emulsified, you're going to slow down this bowl as much as possible. So it's a very slow bowl speed. You're thinking like 4 or 5 rotations per minute. And then do a 6-blade configuration, and going all the way up to 4,000 or 5,000 RPMs, depending on the thickness of your product. And within a couple of rotations, you're going to have a nearly completely emulsified product. So it just depends. It give you both extremes of what these bowl choppers can do. So I thought maybe we'd give it a little whirl here and show you the Talsa K95. The biggest thing here right off the bat is that there's lots of things on this huge, gorgeous touchscreen, but there's only 4 buttons that really, really matter on the front of it. So it's super simple to use. This is on, off, there's the bowl speed, and then there's the blade speed. And that's about it. That's the main stuff. There's other things as far as settings, adding your recipes. You can make it so it goes a certain speed for a certain time, then reduce, back and forth. You can build all those in. But for the most part, there's four main areas that control the entire unit. So right at the bat, let's start off with something like 5 rotations per minute. You can go down to 4. We can go right there at 5. And then let's go with 1,000 RPMs on the blade speed. And let's go ahead and let's start her up. So the bowl started to move. We can hear blades going in the background, but the biggest thing I really want to emphasize is how quiet this machine is. So Talsa has a proprietary technology on anti-vibration. So this ends up being one of the quietest bowl choppers on the market, if not the quietest bowl chopper on the market. It's pretty amazing here. I don't know if the microphone's picking it up, but being right next to it, it's not very loud at all. So it's pretty unique. We have 6 blades that is going in the exact radius of the inside that's all safely positioned in the back of the bowl, and the internal bowl is spinning right here. And it's a nice slow speed to get started and to be able to add your product. Now, if you're looking for a more diced product, then you can speed up that bowl speed. So let's bring that up to 16 RPMs. And again, I don't know if the microphone's picking this up, but you can start hearing the bowl speed start to increase. And this is still now keeping it at about 1,000 RPM. So, and the RPMs will go from 500 RPMs all the way up to 5,000. And the bowl speed, as I mentioned before, will go from 4 rotations per minute to up to 20 rotations per minute. But this would be a good speed to get some nice dice product with. Now, if you really want to see how this thing cranks, let's move it up to 4,000 RPMs, and now you're going to be hearing a big difference with it because you have 6 blades going at 4,000 rotations per minute. And so this is going to be getting a much more finer, smoother product as you're going through. One of the features to mention is, say you're looking to add product to your mix. Once you open this up, it knows at a certain bowl speed and a certain blade speed, it's now ready for you to add product when you lift this up. You've added your product, you added different seasonings, bring this down, and you'll hear it'll pick back up again. So there's a really nice contact sensor that's built into this. And the screen here will display, it's literally a speedometer showing the blade speed and the bowl speed directly here. So from a distance, you can easily see how this machine is operating. And for safety purposes, you can hit this and emergency stop and it instantly stops. So it's incredibly safe. And the blades are very safely guarded back behind here. It's hard to get your hand back. All right, so that's our quick overview of the Talsa K95 bowl chopper. And just turn it off right here. So just kind of as a quick recap here, I mean, absolutely gorgeous, large LCD touchscreen display. It's an amazing unit that's whisper quiet. One of the things we didn't really touch on too much, but it's incredibly easy to clean. So it's a really nice feature of it as well too. But you know, if you are a meat processing facility, maybe you're processing sausages, hot dogs, maybe you're an alternative protein processor, or maybe a pet food processor as well too. This could be an absolutely amazing game-changing unit for your facility. It's amazing for overall efficiency. You can produce out of this machine here what you can produce out of maybe 3 or 4 machines, maybe what you're currently doing, and reduce your overhead costs. We try to focus on very quick ROI on all the equipment that we supply here at RAM. So if this sounds interesting to you, and we hope that it does, hopefully you pick up the phone and give us a call. Our number is down below. It's 951-734-8152. Or visit us at the link below for a quick, free, easy quote. And our website is rameqpt.com. We're in Corona, California. And you know, if you thought this video was interesting, and you feel like supporting us, you know, we are a U.S. Small business here in Southern California. Feel free to hit the like and subscribe button below. It's a free way to help out the channel and to help out our small growing business. Look forward to seeing you in future videos. Take care.